Home remedies for sinus pain. A majority of us will suffer from sinus pain once in a while, and it can have a huge effect on our ability to go about our daily business. Luckily, there are a number of steps we can take around our own homes to ease the likelihood of sinus problems developing. Have a look. Drink plenty of fluids. Staying hydrated is an important health concern for many reasons, but it also helps keep your sinuses moist. You should drink plenty of water but avoid caffeine and alcohol, which can encourage dehydration. Take a steamy shower or bath. Hot water vapor is an effective way of moistening your sinuses and helping to keep them clear. A hot bath or shower can help remove mucus and debris stuck inside your nose and keep the passageways that serve the sinuses free of obstruction. For a further boost, try dropping some eucalyptus oil in the bath with you. It's a great natural decongestant. Eat spicy foods. Spicy foods are not for everyone, but they can help clear your nasal passages. If you are a fan of fiery foods such as curry, hot peppers and mustard, drop some extra into your evening meal to help open up your nasal passage. Get a humidifier. A humidifier helps to keep the air moist, providing you with a great way of eliminating arid air that is a leading cause of dry sinuses. You should only use a humidifier during dry summer months wherever you live and keep your eye on it. The humidity levels should ideally sit at around 30 to 50%. Use a warm compress. Warm compresses can help with sinus pain as they help keep the nasal passage moist. Put uncooked rice or oats inside a clean tube sock and add some lavender or cinnamon for a more pleasant fragrance. Microwave the compress for 30 seconds, then test it. If you are happy with the level of warmth, remove it and apply it onto the nose and surrounding areas. Use a saline solution. A saline solution can be as effective as a decongestant in combating blocked passageways that can lead to sinus pain. A saline wash thins mucus so that it can flow more effectively through the nose and surrounding chambers. Studies have concluded that saline solutions are some of the best lines of defense against sinusitis and can be used daily to prevent symptoms from developing. Guard your bedroom against allergies. Allergy flare-ups are a common cause of sinus pain, and we can take steps to avoid them. As allergies often flare in the evening, ensure your bedroom is kept free of factors that can contribute to irritation. Avoid antibiotics. Most sinus problems are viral, not bacterial. So, antibiotics should not be used in the majority of cases. Antibiotics are our best defense against bacteria, but they are not effective against viruses and are not an appropriate treatment for them. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.